How to fix FaceTime photos not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix FaceTime photos not working. So let's get started. First of all, you need to head over to settings, go to the search bar and type in FaceTime. Press search and this is the application of FaceTime. So what you're going to do is you'll be able to see this option that is FaceTime with a toggle button. So you're going to simply toggle this button off. And after a few seconds, simply toggle it on again. So it will basically refresh your FaceTime settings. Then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see this option that says FaceTime Live Photos. So you're going to simply toggle it off as well and toggle it again after a few settings. So once you do so, when you head over to FaceTime, you'll be able to see the FaceTime photos is working perfectly. But if it's still not working, you need to make sure that the other person with who you are chatting on FaceTime should have the FaceTime Live Photos enabled as well. So if only one party has enabled it, then it will not work. Both of you should enable it. So that's how you can fix FaceTime photos not working. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.